Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Nia Road para intervene si Sir?
Si Kuya Raven po.
Kuya Raven and?
Ishi.
Yeah, si Ma'am Ishi. Oh, okay. Ano ang new dito sa sa inyong food forecast?
Yes. So we offer different types of sandwiches, sushis, and different types of pastries every weekends. And hopefully by weekdays we can also serve these.
Ayan. Pwede niyo ba tayong i-tour, sir? Ayan.
So, as you can see po, ito ang aming food forecast menu for today. We have tuna sushi roll. Pangalawa is cheesy chicken sandwich.
Okay.
And then cheesy tuna sandwich, banana special, and Vietnamese vegetable.
Ayan. Saan yan, sir? Ayan.
As you can see po, ang tuna sushi namin is napaka-sariwa at fresh po siya. Talagang
ayun nga.
sa sarap.
Okay. Sige sir, pwede tingnan natin.
And then yung pangalawa is we have cheesy chicken sandwich.
Cheesy chicken sandwich.
Sobrang nakakabusog po siya. So
okay.
You can try po. Yung sushi po namin worth 120 and then yung chicken po is 150.
Okay.
And then the third one is we have cheesy tuna sandwich. 150 pesos din po. So,
150 pesos? Okay.
Sobrang sarap. You can try po. And then, the next is banana special. So, this one is made with love. So,
okay.
Marami siyang cheese. So, sa mga cheese lover dyan, come and join us.
Cheesy.
Yan. And then, the last is, ito po yung bago namin pero sobrang mabenta po niya. Vietnamese vegetable rolls. So, as you can see sa mga nagda-diet po dyan, bagay na bagay po sa atin to. Pure vegetable po talaga at sobrang sarap po ng sauce kapag ginalo. So, worth 150 po.
Okay. Anong special dyan, sir?
Yung pinaka-special niya is talaga, yung pinaka-sauce niya talagang ginawa namin siya.
Okay. Anong ingredients dun, sir, yung sauce?
Yung ingredients namin is top secret talaga siya.
Top secret? Okay. Parang kailangan ko mag-isip plankton.
Better if you can go here so that you can try and taste the...
Ayan. Mura lang yan, sir, no? Magkano? How much?
150 po ito.
150? Okay. Yung sushi roll?
Yung sushi, 120. Tapos yung sandwich, 150. Yung banana special is 120.
Ayan. At tuwing kailan kayo makikita dito, sir?
Tuwing Saturday and Sunday at exactly 3 to 4 p.m. onwards up until 8 or 9. Depende sa tao din po. Then we tried na mag-weekdays din at the same time ng hapon. Around 3 or 4 p.m. So you can visit us and makikita nyo po yung design namin is
okay.
Sa likod lang ng car and then
okay.
Yung pinaka-design namin talaga.
Okay.
So yun po. You can try po at you can follow our page din as well.
Ay, may page. Anong page yun, sir?
Food forecast, and then you can order through our phone number 7945-6834-354.
May delivery rin kayo, sir?
Yes, we can do that within Cavite.
Within Cavite? Sino magde-deliver?
Ako rin po.
Okay. Okay.
And then you can email us as well at food.forecastbusiness@gmail.com. Again, food.forecastbusiness@gmail.com.
Ayan. Pakilala niyo, sir, yung ibang cast. Ibang cast ng family. Isang family sila nakakatuwa eh.
Yes po.
Tingnan natin.
One family and
ay mother.
si Mami. And
okay.
Then, ito po yung pinaka-younger, si Bot.
Okay.
And then yung sister is si Ishi.
Hi, Ishi. Okay.
Yan. Come and join us and then you can try our food as well.
Ayan. Any final remarks, sir?
Final remarks, subukan nyo po yung pagkain namin na binibenta ngayon. Siguradong kasasarap.
Okay. Okay. Ito, ayan, dito lang sila makikita sa Nia Road every Saturday and Sunday. Ngayon, meron sila Friday. Ayan. Okay. Ito po si Ninyo Christopher Drian sa taga Cavite Kapag. Okay. Back to yung mga kapwa Caviteño. Ciao.